Hello students, myself Almaz Zahir Sheikh from HV Desai College. In this video we are finding the wavelength of laser light using a diffraction phenomena. So the apparatus consists of helium neon laser. An obstacle is in the form of grating, and screen which we have used, you can see, is a simple wooden scale. So a wooden scale as a screen, and to find the to get the diffraction, the grating is used. So this is grating. Now in this, the grating is nothing but a systematic arrangement of slits in large number, and from these slits we get the nice diffraction pattern. So here you can see that there are total 600 lines per millimeter. From this information we can get the size of the one line, and the size of the one line in the grating is called as a grating element or size of the grating element, and in the formula it is represented by D. So you can find D, which is the size of obstacle, a single slit. Now to begin the experiment, we switch on the light. So the light from the source incident on the grating, and then from grating the light transmit and diffracted, and the diffraction pattern is observed on the screen. There you can see the pattern. So the central spot, this is the central spot which is placed or which is present with and without grating, and it is the brightest spot. And as you can see, on either side there are these spots. This spot immediate after the zero order diffraction is called as a first order diffraction. So in this experiment we are sticking with the first order diffraction only. We are not bothering about the higher order diffraction. So here on both the side I will use n is equal to 1 in the formula. The formula is d sin theta is equal to n lambda. N represent order of diffraction. So n is 1 on right side as well as on left side. Now what we need to do, we will fix the distance between the source and the grating. This is called x. So you measure with the scale what is the distance between the screen and grating. Note it down as x value. Then for the given x, we will get the particular diffraction pattern and measure the distance of both the first order diffraction spot with respect to the zero order, and these are called as y1. This is y1, this distance, and this distance is y2. Note it down. After noting it down, slowly draw a line with chalk from the grating to the source, so that there is no change in direction or deviation, and slowly through this line you move it. So I move the grating through 5 centimeter, and you can see that as the grating is moving towards the source, the spots are moving away from the zero order diffraction pattern. So again note down the distance between the grating and the source, also y1 and y2. Repeat the same process for different distance of x values and find y1 and y2. Through these x and y values, find angle of diffraction and substitute in the formula d sin theta is equal to n lambda. You will get, or we can find, wavelength of laser light. Thank you.